Hey guys, Michael Luckadoo with ArmchairBuilder.com here. Hey listen, creating the design for your new gourmet kitchen is an exciting process. After all, you'll finally get all the bells and whistles that you've been dreaming about. But before you pull the trigger for your new kitchen, you'll want to carefully think through all the finer details of the project. Let's take a look. So here's a situation where the design didn't take into consideration the actual projection of the crown molding on the top of the cabinet. So all we had to do in this situation was pull this lead wall out 1.25 inches, and we would have been able to dive the crown molding into the side of that lead wall. Instead, we've had to run it across and return it to the front side of that wall, which actually screams mistake. So here's what the crown molding would have looked like if we had just pulled the wall out just 1.25 inches. So another thing to think about in your design are filler strips like we have here. Basically, this is a strip that makes up the difference because we use mass-produced cabinets that come in specific sizes in most cases. So we use these filler strips to make up the difference to fill the gaps. Now, when you're building a new home, you should be able to set the size of the walls and the dimensions of those walls so that you can minimize those filler strips. So another part of your design should be to maximize the storage in your kitchen. So in this case, we've got 2 corner cabinets that basically end at the corner. Now you can see they don't extend back. Now the problem with this is we've got a lot of corner space here that we haven't used. So by using what they call a blind corner cabinet, one of these cabinets would extend all the way to the corner and we'd be able to maximize the use of that space. Another item you'll want to prepare for is under cabinet lighting. Nobody likes to see wiring or metal housings of the lights. It's just not pretty. So instead, install a piece of trim along the bottom of the cabinets called a light rail to hide the lights and wires. You can also add panels under the cabinets to create a more custom look to help finish off that area under the cabinets. If you're thinking about building your dream home, you should check out our new ebook, Building a Home, a Step-by-Step Guide. Click here for the video with all the details on this resource.